Steve the Virus here. Got my New Year's fireworks. I didn't get much, but I got these are my shells and kits that I've got. First time I ever got the Chroma, Bombas de la Muertes, and American Glory. These are whistling 6-inch shells. These are 6-inch shells, and these are 5. And I'm gonna use them in my 23 shot salute for 2023. I'll open them up and show you some of the way they look. One good thing about Red Apple is they always put, you see it right there, they always put the number on the shell and what it does. It's also on the back. Right there. All shell effects is on the back listed, numbered 1 through 24. That's the Chroma. American Glory out. And here's a 6-inch shell. Here it is sitting inside that Chroma. And right here is the Bombas de la Muertes. That little 6-inch shell. Those right here. See, everyone, all Red Apple stuff is numbered with effect. Back of the kit, as well as on every shell. So stay tuned. I'll shoot some and then post the effects on here, and 2023 is gonna be good. I'm gonna shoot 23 all fused together. Oh yeah, baby. Here's my rack I'm gonna build for my 2023 salute. This is 4 Chroma tubes, 4 Bombas de la Muertes, 4 American Glory, 4 grand juries that I have, 2 make it pops, and 2 I'm not sure what these ones are, neon something other. So I'm gonna build this 20 shot rack, put all fiberglass tubes in it, and then I'm gonna put 3 shots in my 5 shot rack I've already got built. 2023, baby. Well, just got through building my 20 shot rack. Got 3 sets of 4 in there, and 2 twos from 2 other sets. 20 fiberglass tubes, baby. Oh yeah. There's my 12 shot rack from last year, New Year's. This is what I'm using this year. Plus 3 out of another 5 shot rack I got. There's Red Apple Fireworks canister shells. Oh my goodness. There's my 20 shot rack. Mixing start loading her up. I'm gonna shoot a bunch of the Chromas. Somewhere around 15 of those, and then I'm gonna put some of the 6-inch Bombas de la Muertes in there, and some of the 6-inch American Glories in there. I'm going with the whistling barcade crowns and dahlias in the Bombas de la Muertes. And these are all. I'm saving the willows out of the Chroma pack to shoot individually. Yep, stay tuned. There's my pile of shells. 23 shells. Put 20 in this new rack I just got built. 3 in another rack I've got. I'll pass fuse them all together with a little section of time fuse. Oh yeah, 2023, baby! Yee! I'm gonna start loading my shells in here now. There's number 2. Boom. Number 4. Boom. Number 3. Boom. There's 5. Number 1 hiding it. Well, yeah, number 1. There you are, number 1. Number 6. Looks like we're looking for number 7. And then number 8. There you are, number 8. 8. 9. What's the third? 10. 11. And number 12. And we skip to 20. 20. 21. 22. 23. Oh, wait, there's a 19. There we go. Turn that backwards a bit. 24. Let's make them right. 23. 22. 21. 20. And there you go, 19. What we left out. And then I'm going to put Whistler and the number 7 Dahlia in there. And those 3 are going in the other rack. Oh yeah! Here she is. 23 shots. Fast fuse connected. All I gotta do when I get out there is just hit set up. Put these 2 on and then zip tie the leader fuse on it so I can get back. Time it just right. 2023, baby. Yee yee.